In this video, we will show you how to convert in MEXC or how to swap on MEXC. First, you have to download the MEXC app on your mobile using Google Play Store or Apple Store. After downloading the MEXC app, open the app. Make sure to log into your account first on the app. And if you don't have an account, then create it. You will see the rewards coins, winning tickets, and value. Go to the wallet option from the bottom menu and tap Spot. You can see the asset list in the wallet option. From the asset list, select the coin you want to swap with. Go to Trade from the bottom menu bar. You can see the amount and price of USDT coins to buy or sell. Tap in USDT or USDT and select the coins you want to buy by scrolling down. Search Gala on the search bar and tap the Gala option. If you want to buy, go to the Buy option on the top and enter the quantity in the Quantity area. Tap on Buy Gala to buy the coins. If you want to sell, go to the Sell option and enter the quantity in the Quantity area. Tap on Sell Gala to sell the coins. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.